for your haircut appointment. Perfect, perfect. So, what kind of haircut do you want? Really? You know, I think that'd be a great haircut for your face. Well, let's get started, shall we? Yeah, I'm usually a pretty busy guy, so I gotta get straight to cutting. So what's your name, by the way? It's a beautiful name. It's as beautiful as your eyes, actually. So what's your favorite color? Really? That's my favorite color as well. What's your TV show? Really? My favorite is Stranger Things. They recently came out with a new trailer for season 4, is it? Yeah, it's pretty intense. I guess I wouldn't even call it a trailer, I think it's more of a teaser. I think it had stuff to do with like Eleven's backstory. Or maybe even her future, who knows? You're really good here. So what do you do with this hair? You shampoo it, you wash it and stuff. That's really smart of you to do. Makes my life a lot more easier as well. I'm gonna get right behind your ears real quick. It's gonna sound very intense, so feel free to fall asleep or something like that. No, don't worry about it. It's perfectly fine if you do fall asleep. It happens to all of us when we get haircuts and stuff, you know. You relax, 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 relax. this. Okay. Alright. Hello, yes, this is Jamishio. I'm with a customer right now. Oh, I thought I brought that home yesterday. Yeah, no, I definitely don't have a switch here or anything. No, there's no switch here. I'm gonna need to ask where back. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, so, I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe you should, I don't know, like, ask around, like, your neighbors or something if they saw your switch. I mean, why would I steal a switch? I have one at home. No, I'm not a thief. You really think I would steal someone's switch? So rude. I'm sorry, but I need to get back to my haircut. I have a lot of customers tonight. It's only 9 in the morning. You know what? It may be 9 in the morning for you, but somewhere in the world it is midnight. So good night. Sorry about that. I have a lot of problems with my neighbor. Anyways, let's continue, shall we? It's nice and fast haircut. Yeah, it's nice and speedy. You know, might be time for me to get some brand new scissors. Look at them. They're all like rusty and stuff. I think it's time for me to get something new. Don't you think? What do you think? Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'll ask my boss to send me a new set of scissors or something. Maybe even more than one, so I could use 2 hands and double the cutting, you know? Give the best haircuts in the world. So you doing like school or anything, or working a job or anything like that? What has been your life like recently? Really? Really? That's very intense. My life is alright. I just like listen to my music while I cut people's hair, you know? Just an everyday grind for me here at this barber shop. No, don't worry, just sit back and relax. Come on, sit back. I'll get the hair out of your face.